think you are playing tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
You've been there like 2 times already? Was it last year and 2 years ago?
Yeah, yep, twice there.
Yeah, I saw a couple of videos of you playing there 2 years ago, and there were a lot of people in the crowd. So
Yeah.
Also here in Croatia, there were, I don't know, like 200 people maybe.
I think so. I think that was right.
Yeah, I didn't really know what to expect because
We didn't either.
Yeah, because we never had a band like you guys play here, so
Right.
yeah.
We were pretty happy that people showed up because you show up to a place the first time.
Yeah, I
I
was.
don't know what to expect.
Yeah, I was also really glad that so many people showed up because I've been listening to your band for about, I don't know, 3.5 years. Also, the Denver Broncos and Manly's solo stuff. And I was really glad when you announced the tour and that you were coming here.
Yeah, good. Is anyone coming tonight?
Yeah, there were like...
Is everybody coming?
Yeah. Around 200 people, I think. Again.
Yeah, there are 150 sold tickets, I think.
So we're gonna be fine.
Yeah. Yeah, I think there might even be more people than last.
So that's the plan.
Yeah. I know that at your last show in the other venue, that when you finished your set, I mean you still had the encore, you went to the men's toilet because there was no backstage. Yeah. But here there is a backstage, so you're gonna be fine this time.
Well, that was funny though.
Yeah. How long have you been on tour right now? Like 2 weeks?
On this tour, it's been like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah.
Where,
We have
you
2
were
to
in
go.
Slovakia yesterday, right?
Last night, Kosici.
Košice.
Yeah,
I
Kosici.
think, yeah.
That's what I meant.
Yeah. So you have 2 more weeks to go, right?
Yeah.
So halfway there. And
We haven't had a day off yet either.
No,
And
really?
long drives every day. We're just.
But you were in the UK, right? First, the tour started in the UK.
It started in Amsterdam and then it went to the UK
Oh, okay.
and then back to Belgium.
So is that like
Went to
cheaper
Germany.
to go to Amsterdam first than UK?
It is for us because we usually fly round trip through Amsterdam because
okay.
our road manager and our backline supplier and the van rental is in Germany, but just very close to there.
Oh, okay.
And somehow tickets, airfare is always cheaper for us to fly through Amsterdam than anywhere else. Yeah.
I actually wrote some notes, so we can have a structured interview, but I kind of like forgot everything right now.
Good, me too. I had some notes too.
Yeah,
I had questions I was going to ask
For me?
you. Yeah.
Oh.
Do you remember some of them?
What?
No.
I don't have anything good.
Well, I'm gonna go with the more formal questions then.
Okay.
You released your latest album 2 years ago on your own record label, Skag Unincorporated, right? Why did you decide to leave Alternative Tentacles after so many years of being there?
It just felt like the timing was right for us to go out on our own. It felt like, at least in the States, we felt like it had leveled off, like nothing was growing.
Oh, okay.
It felt like we were treading water.
Yeah. Was Jello mad?
Yeah.
He was, really?
Yeah. He doesn't talk to me.
No?
No.
Yeah,
We
because
called him, but he won't return calls.
Oh, man.
But
That's
it's
a bummer.
He will. I hope he remembers.
Yeah.
I hope he remembers how much we love each
He
other.
has joined you on stage, right? Several times, but not since you left. Maybe we can send this interview to him.
Okay. I love you, Jello, and I miss you.
Yeah.
Yeah, very much.
So
He knows.
yeah.
I hope he knows.
So are you writing any new material already, or is it just you?
Yeah, actually, Munley, has been writing all the songs for a while now, and I think he's pretty much has everything written for the new album, for the next one, as well as working on DBUK and a new album for Munley and the Rupert Colleans,
Oh, really?
which we're all in also.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have a lot.
Yeah,
Of
actually,
things that will be coming out.
that's great. I actually really wanted to ask you about the Lupercalians because I didn't know if you're on hiatus maybe because the first album was like 2010, right?
Right.
And it was supposed to be a trilogy, so is that correct? Peter and the Wolf is the first album. Yeah. So like in the next couple of years, we're gonna see.
Sure. Yeah,
that's great.
we got busy. What happens with us is we don't make money unless we tour,
Oh, okay.
and so it's hard to be home long enough to record anything because people don't really buy albums anymore. We have to play shows.
Yeah, that's
And
unfortunate.
so the more shows we play, the better. And Auto Club is our biggest money maker, and so we just like I've been home. I think since the New Year. I think I've been home for 1 month. We're just out. This is already our second trip to Europe this year.
This year, yeah. You're
It's our
open for-
fourth trip to Europe within a year.
Oh,
Like we were just here a year ago, and then we were here in the fall, and then we came out here in end of March and April, and now we're here
you
again.
were opening for Nathaniel Braces, right? What was that like? Did you gain any new fans?
Yeah, I think so. We've actually already have seen people, people coming out saying that they saw us there, and so I think it was a great success for us.
Cool. Yeah.
We were in front of a lot of people.
But he's a big star. So. And have you noticed like a growth in attendance of your own crowd over the years here in Europe?
Yeah, I feel like it always it's continuing to grow. Like business gets better. The more we come, the better we do.
Yeah, that's great because I mean there are some bands that they come once and there's a lot of people, but the next time they come, just people aren't interested. That actually sometimes happens a lot. But
Hopefully that doesn't happen to us.
yeah, I don't think it will.
I hope not.
So
I mean, some shows do better than others, like anywhere.
Yeah.
Or any band, I suppose.
yeah, actually, last year when I saw you in Budapest, there weren't a lot of people. I was really surprised because it's a great venue. I was actually really impressed how great of a venue it is because I mean it's a ship with several different venues actually or stages or whatever. Yeah. So.
Well, hopefully we'll do better than next time.
Yeah.
I know it's still fine, but still,
Yeah. And you, on that tour, you played one Denver Broncos UK show in Prague, I think, right? What made you just show? The day off?
The promoter, we had a day off, and the promoter is a friend of ours with Great Sound in Prague. And this was actually the second time DBUK has played in Prague, and it was for the same thing. We had a day off, and so he just asked if we would.
Okay, so it was the second time that Denver Broncos played. Okay. And are those the only European shows?
We did one in Poland also at a festival.
Is it
and
a
also,
Symmetry?
Yeah, Asymmetry Festival, and also we played at a festival, Colors of Ostrava in Czech Republic.
Okay.
Also.
Yeah.
So we've had 4 shows in Europe.
Yeah, cool.
And they all went very well. And the first thing that'll happen is that the next album we have coming out will be DBUK.
Yeah.
Hopefully either end of the year or beginning of next year. And then the plan is that then we'll bring that band here to Europe.
Oh, that's great. Like a fully fledged tour.
With just that, yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Because I mean, it's quite different from this band, but I love it also.
And then we hope to concentrate in this area, like more eastern, because that's where I feel like most of our people, and for that particular group, you know, especially in Prague, like, for some reason.
That's great. I actually noticed that you have a slightly changed lineup in the band. Your son is playing with you.
Yeah.
He's playing bass.
He's filling in for Ian. He wasn't able to make it. We have some family. Family issue.
Okay. Is it the first time he's playing with you? Wasn't he also in the Lupercalians?
No.
No? Because I saw a video on YouTube where it says Manly and the Lupercalians first show with George Cessna, or with Slim's son. So that's incorrect.
Oh, you know what? Maybe that particular show, his band is opening.
Oh, okay.
That could
be.
That could be. I don't know what else that would be though, because he hasn't ever played with them. But he has opened for them.
I mean, I know he has a band, Snakes.
Mm-hmm.
And he's the singer and guitarist of the band. Has he played bass before?
No.
No. Oh, so he learned it just specifically for the tour.
Yeah, he had 3 weeks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And he's great.
That's fantastic.
Better than ever. Yeah.
Really? Well, we'll see.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah. All right. He could have brought his own band to open for you guys. Have you thought of that?
Oh boy, we don't have room for. They don't have enough money to do that yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like they wouldn't get paid enough to get over here. That would be quite an expense.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Right now, so they'll need to build things up.
Yeah, because I've listened to some of his stuff, and I can certainly see some of your influence in his music, but it's still relatively, pretty unique actually. Yeah, I actually really liked it. I haven't listened to his music before because I actually when I saw that he was going to play with you guys, then I realized, then I found out that he had his own band. So yeah.
And they're great.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, I listened to them. So, I don't know. I had a bunch of questions. I forgot everything.
Good.
How are we on time? Good.
Yeah.
So I'm interested. You were in the Denver Gentlemen, right?
Yeah.
You played drums, correct? So were drums the first instrument you started playing? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, all of my first bands I was a drummer.
Oh really? When did you start playing guitar?
When I was in Denver Gentlemen, I decided I didn't want to play drums anymore.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to be a frontman, but I didn't want to be a singing drummer. Because that's boring.
But I think singing drummers are great.
No, they're fine. But that's boring to me. I can't do that. It's just sitting there, and I get tired of it. I wanted to be. And so I learned 3 chords on a guitar, and I made the Auto Club basically. I made this band, and that was in 1992.
Oh man.
But I was still in Denver Gentlemen when I made this band, so was like I was still in it for like 2 years, but I still and I was still in the auto club at the same time.
And all of you are actually, you know, pretty connected. So David Eugene Edwards went on and formed 16 Horsepower.
Yeah.
You formed Slim Cessna's Auto Club. Who was in the band originally?
In the auto club? Yeah, we had so many different people. There's been like 26 people in the band in 26 years.
Yeah.
And now George, so 27 people.
Yeah.
But like Ordy, one of our first drummers, Ordy Garrison, so he plays with David's band Woven Hand now for years and years. Yeah, I don't know. Two of the other guys in Woven Hand were in bands with our drummer Andrew for years also. Like, it's kind of like the Denver community is somewhat incestuous, I suppose.
Yeah, you played that show for the DVD where you had many different members.
Yeah.
Were they all members, former members of the band? Yeah, because I know, there was
Rumley was there, Bob was there, Ordy was there, Gregory.
And when did Dwight join?
1999.
Oh, 1999.
And that's when Munley joined us.
Oh, awesome. So how did the songwriting change? Did Munley just take over immediately all of this?
No, it was like over the years we just kind of learned what our strengths are.
Oh, okay.
And that would be a shame to minimize like one of his great contributions to what we do. He's an incredible writer.
Yeah.
He's very gifted. I can write songs and they're fine, like, but it's not the same. I would rather sing his songs in the auto club, and we all just kind of have our jobs that we do.
Oh, okay.
That's what it is.
Do you have a solo project like where you?
Yeah, sometimes I play local shows. Sometimes by myself.
Okay. And in the Denver Broncos UK, you are on percussion, so you're kind of back.
That's actually nice. I mean, because I missed that, you know.
Yeah.
And I sing a lot. We all sing. There's a lot of vocals.
So your label, Skycan Incorporated, is it just for your 3 projects, or do you plan on signing some other bands that aren't connected to you but you like?
We're not
in the future, maybe.
Yeah. We don't have any money to do that right now.
Okay.
But like we don't even have enough money to release a contract right now.
Okay.
But so we're working on it.
Cool.
Yeah. But you know, hopefully it could turn into something like that.
Yeah.
I think that would be great.
Your last album, you made a video for Command 7 that I found really interesting, and Dwight filmed it, edited it. Who had the idea to make?
Munley had the idea.
Oh, he had the idea.
Yeah, we needed to make a video real fast because we were getting pressured to, and we're not really good. Well,
that's
getting
really
better.
good.
But we had an idea, and we literally filmed it all in 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I mean, it looks
mostly one shot in just one little room in the basement.
It looks great. It looks a bit like something David Lynch would make, maybe. Yeah. And you also made what?
Nešto malo.
You also made a video for, was it like the 3rd?
Yeah.
For one guy in a wig.
George made that video.
George made it. But he wasn't. He's not the actor in the video.
He is. He's wearing a wig. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't recognize it. Okay.
Yeah. He made that video for us.
Yeah, that's.
We thought it was pretty funny.
Yeah.
It was kind of like some kind of Crispin Glover thing. You know what I mean? Like some weird messed up. Like, what the hell is going on? It's good.
And also. For Denver Broncos UK, you made it one Bloodhounds, right?
Did we?
I mean,
oh, maybe I think Rebecca did that with the old film footage.
I know you're jumping around, dancing.
Oh yeah. No, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I remember that.
And that is originally a Slim Cessna song.
It actually was a Denver Broncos song first.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but that, like, it was recorded even that long ago, but it didn't
okay.
make it on the album. Well, but then we didn't release an album until years later.
Yeah, because the self-titled song, it's on YouTube for like 11
Right.
years or something like that. So how come you didn't record it before? Like
I don't know, we're weird.
you were too occupied with
Yeah,
Slim Cessna's
pretty
album.
much.
Yeah. So how I mean, yeah, Manly does the writing, but do you know how or when does he decide for which project a certain song is?
That's a great question. He just says that that's what it is.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, all three things are very individual. They're very specifically unique to each other, and so I think that he just writes with that in mind, with that understanding.
Have you ever had some like negative perception of certain shows? Because I mean, you're such a genre-defined band that you are hard to categorize. But I feel like some maybe country or bluegrass Puritans might not like what you're doing. I don't know if you
Well, they tend not to show up.
Oh, okay.
We don't really see those people.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think in general our response from every audience is always very positive.
Yeah, that's great. Because I mean, you are a really unique band, and you are usually categorized like gothic country or something like that. Do you feel like that's an suitable categorization?
I think people need to have categories for some reason.
Yeah.
I don't know why they need to anymore. I mean, I understand it more in the days of when there were actual record stores and you had to go to a certain section to find something. Or there are certain kinds of radio stations that played whatever this kind of music is only. We've never really had that place. Like, there's never any place for us to go. Like, we can be a rock band or a country band or a gospel band or an experimental band. So we don't. Country gothic is fine. Yeah. I don't know what else to call it either. So what do you say? Like, we call it American music because that's the root of it. Like, it's American folk music at the foundation. But then we kind of let the songs become themselves, and we don't really worry about what kind of song it's going to be.
Yeah.
After that, we're putting it together as a band.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know what it
because
is.
you have some really heavy, dark songs. You have some fast, uplifting stuff and stuff like that. So, what are your influences?
Me? Oh boy, there's so much. Musically, for me,
There's a lot of people here, so I don't know how well the microphone is picking up the sound. So we're near the end, but
Okay.
could you name just a couple of?
Sure. Well, I grew up with country music, like older. Well, 'cause I grew up in the '70s,
Like Townsend and stuff like that? Or?
yeah, Johnny Cash and all the obvious ones, Willie Nelson and things like that. But I was a teenager then in the 1980s,
Yeah.
and so I got very involved in in 80s music, I guess.
I'm gonna let you guys talk. I just gotta give you some love.
But really, but the good '80s music, like Gun Club and the Birthday Party
Yeah, that is.
and the Fall and so many of the greats and Swans later in the '80s and
Do Do you like the new incarnation of Swan?
Absolutely. I think it's powerful and amazing.
Yeah, they're really, really loud.
Yeah, and I got to see them live, and that was incredible.
Yeah, me too.
Right?
I saw
It was very moving and very.
Yeah, but it's not for everyone. but I
Thank
love
God.
it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, thank you for taking the time to do this.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the show.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Yeah. All right. Let's go play a rock show.
Yeah.